Good evening, this is the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. The National Commercial Bank, NCB, is reporting that cyber attacks on the company's system continue to rise. But Group Chief Financial Officer and Deputy CEO Dennis Cohen says the hackers are finding it more difficult to penetrate the company's security mechanisms. Mr. Cohen was speaking at an NCB investors briefing in Kingston this morning. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
Customers being defrauded of thousands of dollars overnight, and all because of one transaction which may have compromised their banking details. Cyber attacks have become more prevalent over the last decade, forcing financial institutions to fortify their security measures even as online banking becomes increasingly popular. The National Commercial Bank, NCB, is admitting that it is not exempt from cyber attacks. But the company is arguing that the rate of successful attacks has gone down.
The attempts to commit fraudulent acts are not just Jamaica. Those things are global, right? What I can say to you is that the incidence of persons being able to successfully penetrate our systems have gone down significantly.
Mr. Cohen says the company is now focused on constantly upgrading its infrastructure to ensure it stays ahead of the fraudsters.
We will never be able to stop persons trying, but we can certainly keep them out. And I think if we have robust systems and persons recognize that NCB systems are robust, they will probably try some other place where the systems are far more vulnerable. As far as security is concerned, we have to ensure that we're always at top of our game.
The group CFO was unable to say how much NCB's cyber attacks had gone down by, but he did say it was a significant fall. In the meantime, Mr. Cohen is warning NCB customers that the older machines are more susceptible to being compromised. But he says the company is working to replace all those units.
You may find that threats are more prevalent in older machines, which may have less robust security mechanisms. Or they will probably, what happens too is that older machine fraudsters probably find ways of circumventing those security systems. And within the next quarter, we certainly will have upgraded all our machines.
The National Commercial Bank announced yesterday that the company recorded its largest profit in history, owing to 3 business segments, which each exceeded $9 billion. For the Business Day, I'm Andrew Laidley.
In currency trading, the Jamaican dollar continued its week-long trend, gaining 27 cents on the US dollar. The greenback ended the day selling for $127.14. The Canadian dollar sold for $96.96. Sterling closed the day at $166.99, while the euro is being sold for $146.51. Oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in December went down by 10 cents to settle at $60.67 a barrel. The JC index gained 2,239 points today, while the junior market index went up by 14 points. Stocks posting gains include Access Financial Services, Caribbean Cream, Elite Diagnostic, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Stock Exchange, KLE Group, and Lasco Distributors. On the losing side were Carib Cement, Dermont Trading, Fosrich, Iron Rock Insurance, Jamaica Broilers, Lasco Manufacturing, Maybury Investments, and Pulse Investments. That's the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.